How to refund games on instant gaming. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through the steps to request a refund on instant gaming. To begin, visit the official website of instant gaming and log in to your account. Once you are on the site, navigate to your profile and select My Orders. After the page loads, you will see the list of games or codes you have purchased. Next to each item, there usually a refund button, and if you don't see it, it may mean that refund doesn't meet the instant gaming terms and condition. Don't worry, I will include a link to their terms and condition in the description for your references. And if you are unable to request a refund directly but still wish to try, there is another option. You simply need to scroll down on the page and click on Contact Us. And when the page loads, select Orders and Products. Then choose I need help with an order I made under Other Issues. From the list of a purchase, pick the game or code you would like to be refunded. Click on it and then hit the Continue button and follow the on-screen instructions. Once your request is submitted, wait for the reply from Instant Gaming Support via email. They will provide details about your order and help to resolve the issue. And if you don't get an email, you can contact them directly at the email given below. And with that, I hope this video was helpful, and if you found this video useful, please share it with your friends, leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.